On the way to meet Olivia and Ellie. Say hi. We just got out of Aroma and we're walking to our permanent bracelet. We're doing our permanent bracelet. So we're gonna go to we are on the subway. It's her first time on the subway. Her fourth time on the subway. See you later. We're currently waiting for for us to get sparked. We're currently in there's only 2 waiters for the entire restaurant, so we're waiting. It's taking a while. Really slow service. We could never. I got kimchi. She got ham and sausage. And she got combination. Our photo booth. Very cute. So our order came out. This is the matcha strawberry latte, lotus croffle. Out of 10. Oh. 그래서 몇 알았냐? I give it a 9. Oh. Is it? It's good. Okay. I'm gonna try matcha strawberry latte.
몇 알았어? 나도 9.5. 드실 꼭 보세요, 여러분. 맛있어?
I give it
Is it worth the money?
8.5 out of 10. It kind of doesn't taste like anything. Like it tastes like strawberry or matcha.
아니야. matcha 맛은 like no matcha, only strawberry. Strawberry milk.
But then if you drink like another time, it's just matcha. Like, you might just be drinking a lot of the strawberry. Right? I'm confused.
Like 6.5.
Where are we going?
We're going to a secret cafe. Basement.
Yeah, we're going to the basement. Underground.
Yeah.
On the low key. These are our drinks. This is the matcha tea latte. This is London fog. This is just a typical Americano. It's very packed, so we're literally like squeezed. We're kind of waiting for people to leave so that we can take their spots.
Sugar. I need sugar.
So it's not sweet.
No sugar.
Oh,
Very bitter. So I think it's valid.
I'm scared to try mine though.
Because I'm planning to go to Dubai later. And I didn't say yet. Do you think apparently you'll be with it? Like you going to meet her? I'm just actually really
I'll give mine What do you rate your drink?
Actually, like 7.
What do you rate your drink? Like 3. 3? It's never a call. I rate mine an 8.5 because mine is literally tea with foam. So we're currently at
Pornography.
and we're gonna do the overhead photo booth and the regular set. This is all our food. This is chicken with rice. This is rose tteokbokki. That's corn cheese. Okay, now we're gonna rate our food. Shannon first. Give a number.
This one, 7.5,
7.5,
8.9,
8.9,
9.
3,
9.
9.
8.
I give 7, like 8, 8.5. We are currently in Cafe Prey, and we ordered injormi bingsu. This is our bingsu. Injormi bingsu. It's literally as big as my hand. And reference, my hands are really small. Like, this is a normal hand. Like,
If you wanna eat in Johnny, just go to Kmart and get in
or go to Cafe Daily. This is the end of our vlog because we're leaving soon. We'll see you next time. Bye. Good.